Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Instagram archive option not showing or Instagram archive option gone on your Android phone. First, you'll need to go into Play Store. Once in Play Store, you're going to search for Instagram and you want to check if the app needs updating. As normally, it's only updating the app needs to solve this problem. After you have updated the app, you're going to tap on Open. And from here, you're going to tap on your profile pic in the bottom right hand corner. Then you're going to tap on the three dashes in the top right hand corner. And you'll see the archive option right below settings. You're going to tap right there, and here you'll be able to see your archived stories or posts. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.